Hello everybody, in today's video we'll be taking a look at my homemade Incredible Hulk action figure. So a few years ago I had made a Hulk action figure and it was the only one I had made until now, and well, it didn't look that great. But now, using my new action figure making technique, I was able to make this. So this figure is based on the Incredible Hulk movie, the 2008 movie, and the main inspiration for this figure was the super articulated Hulk from the 2008 Incredible Hulk toy line. Alright, now taking a look at the details, he has sculpted muscles throughout his body, as you can see right there. And this time I made sure that all the muscles pop out, and it makes him look like the Hulk from the movie. I've also added dark green shading to make the details pop out even more, as you can see. So let's take a closer look at the head. You can see the details stand out a little more this time. He also has sculpted veins throughout his body. I'll show you right there on his hands, as you can see. So on the left hand, or his left hand, he has an open hand, and on the right it's a fist. See, and some more sculpted details there. His pants, which are ripped like in the movie. Then his legs and his feet here. Alright, now let's take a look at the articulation. So he has a ball joint in the head, so you can look left, right, up and down. Right. Basically he can move his head in whichever way. His hands turn 360 and they hinge out. He has a hinge in the elbow, rotation in the elbow, swivel wrists, a ball joint in the waist, so he can bend and turn. Legs can kick out like that. He can kick sideways. He has a hinge in the knee, rotation in the knee, hinge in the foot, and pivot in the foot.